Have you ever wanted to know what it feels like to be a bank? A bond is an asset that you can purchase, which represents a loan you've made to a company or a government. When you purchase a bond, you're lending that company or government a specific amount of money for a specific amount of time. In exchange, they're agreeing to pay you interest on that loan on a regular basis and to pay you back the original amount in full at the end of the loan period. Companies and governments sell bonds in order to raise funds that can be used for a variety of purposes, from building a new factory to repairing a crumbling bridge. People purchase bonds because, for the most part, they tend to be safe, predictable investments. Unlike other assets like stocks, you know in advance what your return on investment will be. And with bonds, the odds of you losing your money are slim to none. If you just learned something new, go ahead and make that thumbs up button blue. And while you're at it, click that red subscribe button too. This has been a Personal Finance Minute. I'm Andrew Scheer, and I'll see you next time.